In this video, I'll show you how to install Temu app on iOS device. Open your Apple Store, right? This is our Apple Store. Come on to the search, type in Temu, right? You're gonna click on this. Once you have clicked on it, you're gonna click on this get, right? So I'm gonna click on install, right? So we are gonna be asked how many MB, right? So do you want to install Temu? 20 MB. I'm gonna click on download, right? I'm gonna wait for it. You're gonna see it's gonna gradually load up, right? So it's loading up right now. I'll give it very few seconds for it to load up, right? So yeah, our Temu has been installed on our iOS device. I'm gonna click on this open right here. Once I click on it, right, this is Temu, right? This is Temu. So if you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching through. I'll see you all in the next video.